So doctor, this is really important, right? This tool here is very important. Can you explain to us a little bit about what exactly is happening? What do you do with it and why?
Absolutely. So that's one of those things that helps you get over the dental fears, is because if you remember back in the day when we had mold to be taken in a dental office and can't move for 5 minutes, well, those 5 minutes feel like
And
forever.
the taste is
the
awful.
feel of it,
Yeah.
the gagging part that comes with it. This actually replaced that whole procedure. Now we can just have a small camera that goes inside of your mouth, and it can scan the teeth in real time in a way more accurate way and produce an image on a screen real time that is very accurate. It stays exactly the same as from the minute that you have captured it.
So what it's doing, it's basically taking thousands and thousands of tiny pictures of every area of your teeth and then using that to come up with a 3D model.
This remodel, exactly, that is in a digital format that can now be transferred electronically to labs, to doctors, to me, to the patient, whichever.
Gotcha.